Hey guys, what's up? This is Rash. Welcome back to my channel, Rash to Me Art. I'm going to use monoline brush from the calligraphy. I'm taking the first blue color of my choice. Just drag and drop on your screen. Now create a new layer and select the second color, which is little bit darker than the previous one. Now we are drawing a mountain. Just draw slowly, that way you will get a perfect line. No need to be so perfect, it can be of any shape. Now create a new layer and select the another color, which is again little bit darker than the previous color of blue. Repeat the process. Draw a line of the another layer of mountain and just drag and drop that color. Create another layer, select the another color, which is again little bit darker than the previous one. Create another layer, select white color. Now we are going to draw a moon. Just create a circle and hold it. Go to adjustment, select bloom, select layer. Now increase the percentage of the layer. Now select first layer, add another layer on top of first layer and select clipping mask. Now we are going to give some shading to the first layer of our mountain. Select the brush as to be compressed from charcoal. Select the first color by simply pressing for 1 second on the mountain and the color gets automatically selected. Now in the palette, just take little bit darker shade of the first layer and just give that shading effect. Select the second layer of the mountain and another layer on top of it and select clipping mask. Now hold on the same color and from the palette select little bit darker shade from the previous one just to give that shading effect on the second layer of your mountain. I'm using the same brush as to be compressed from charcoal. Now select the third layer of your mountain and select the color palette as the same color, but this time we are going little bit lighter shade of the same color. You can use the eraser to give this little bit darker shade on top of the mountain. That way you can just increase or erase the shade as per your choice in the mountain. Now let's select the layer of the moon, add another layer on top of it and select clipping mask. Now we'll take the white color, but we'll move little bit towards the light blue color, or you can say little bit sky blue color to give that shading effect on moon. Now we'll select the first layer, which is the background color, and then we'll select the same color. Then we'll select a little bit darker color of the same shade and we'll start giving the effect. And voila, you have completed this tutorial and you have learned how to make this beautiful landscape with glowing moon. If you are new to my channel, then I would request you like, subscribe and comment, and stay tuned for my next tutorials.